to my channel. I'm Denny, and today I have my Daily Goodies Box. So it's a box week, and this is box number 2 that we will be unboxing. If you're not familiar with Daily Goodie Box, it is not a subscription box, but it's a free box that you can go ahead and try to get through their website. You sign up and you can be selected to get a goodie box. So let's go ahead and see what is in here. When you open it, it looks like so. You have tissue paper and a card. The card usually tells you you got a goodie box and enjoy the free samples. So then I'm gonna just show you what it looks like once I unbox it. You get all types of products in here. It could be anything. So the first thing that I am seeing right on top is from Bubba's Fine Foods. This right here is some Blazing Buffalo Nana Chips. So they're banana chips, but just in the Blazing Buffalo flavor. Ooh. They're non-GMO, and they're vegan, and they're also for the paleo diet. They're savory and crunchy. Let's go ahead and try these out. I'm gonna open this guy up just because they kind of are calling my name. I like it. You don't even taste the banana flavor anymore. The Blazing Buffalo flavor comes out the most. They're nice. I like it. I like it. They have a kick to them. I didn't want to start out eating, but it's the first thing that I saw in the box, and I might as well eat. So the next thing that I'm seeing inside of this box is some seafood rub, and this is from Fire and Flavor. This is pretty awesome. It's a lemon, pepper, and herb. It can be used on seafood, salmon, chicken, and veggies. I like that you can put it on everything. Well, most things. So I'm very interested in testing this guy out. The next product that I see in here is from Herb Guru, and it is a Brilliant Vitality Herbal Tea. Let me look at this can just a bit, just because it's saying red bean, cranberry, pineapple, orange peel, pearl barley, navy bean, and coconut. Did I say coconut twice? So I think those are all the ingredients that are inside of here. It does contain tree nuts and coconut. Coconut is the tree nut. And in any case, I've never tasted anything like this guy. I'm gonna chill it and then enjoy it later. I see a really big sample. This is not a sample. This is a full-size item. This is Sir Kensington's Chipotle mayonnaise. So we have here free-range eggs, made this, and it's just like a Chipotle mayonnaise. I am excited for this. I'm not a Chipotle type girl, but I do like mayonnaise and I do like spicy mayo. So if this is spicy mayo, then I'm gonna love it. There is a small sample here. This is a Essence of Vidal Sleep Bedtime Ritual. So it seems to be some type of sleep spray that you place on your pillow to help you have better sleep. I'm not 100% sure what this is, but yeah, I am interested in checking this out. I've never heard of anything like that. Then I see here NeuroGum, and it's an energy, clarity, focus, enlightening gum. Very interesting. Fuel your body, activate your mind. Is this just like regular gum? I've never heard of this brand either, and I can't get things out. Oh, they look like little pellets that don't look like gum to me, but I guess it is. And it's supposed to be like a power up your brain type gum. I'm going to try this tomorrow because it's way too late for me to try anything with energy in it. and you get 9 pieces in here. Then I see here there's something else. This is, oh, this is a MTJ Moist Rich Mascara, and it's in black. I've not heard of this brand either, but we have a mascara, and it's a full-size mascara. This is pretty cool. I can't wait. I'm a beauty channel, so you know anything with cosmetics I am in love with, and I will most definitely give it a try. Like I told you, with this box you get all types of different products, makeup, food, everything. So what we have here are some teas. I believe this is what it is. It's a immune system tea, and they gave me 2 different ones to try, Immunity and Thrive, and they're supposed to do different things. And you also get a $1 off coupon, which if you like it, you can go ahead and pick that up, which is awesome. Oh, there's some things at the bottom. There's a 1-minute Mixology craft cocktail mixer. It's a single serve margarita, lime, and agave. This is pretty cool. So basically you could single serve yourself with something like this, 1 packet, and then you just add tequila and water and all those other good things, and you have yourself an instant margarita. The next thing that I'm seeing in here, they always clip things so just like nicely, is a Herbal Zap, and this one is like a herbal tea in immunity. And then I also have a 30% off of Goodie Box Bubba's Foods, so I can use this at that Bubba Foods so I can try more of those banana chips. And then I have a $1 off of the Kensington brand mayo, and oh, another 30% off and another coupon for the mayo. And that is everything that was inside of my box. I really enjoy that it's daily goodies and it's not just little samples. Like, this is a full-size mayo, this is a full-size spice, and a full-size drink. Everything that you're getting in here is pretty much full-size, or at least enough for you to test out and give it a good go. I absolutely love stuff like that. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of my Gonz Fam. And as always, from my house to yours, love ya.